Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you a basic CSS tutorial, and I want to describe what CSS. CSS is a language of describing a presentation of a web page including colors, layouts and fonts. And in this tutorial I want to show it with a very simple example. First of all, we have an index.html page, a simple web page, a simple text and a title. If we want to check its source code, we can view page source by right clicking. As you can see, HTML code, HTML tags are here, header hello CSS that appears here, and also body tag, opening body, and here closing the body tag, and a paragraph or P. This is a simple CSS that display here. Okay, now we are going to make it more beautiful and give it some effects with CSS file. Now for this tag, for the P tag, we can have some effects and add some effects in CSS file. We go to here and I have a style.css. You can create it with any editor. For example, for the P tag, I write here its name P and give it some properties. For example, width be 300 pixel, height 100 pixel, padding, border, the border color, and also its font family, font size, background, and anything that you are going to add to your web pages. We can create it with Notepad or with any other code editors like VS Code. I prefer to use VS Code, and in the next step we should link this CSS file to our index.html. Okay, I close it and go to index.html and edit it with Visual Studio Code. Okay, as you can see, I should add the link of CSS file and put its related code in header tags. Okay, with this statement, link rel equal style sheet type text CSS, and here the name of the file we have created recently here, style.css. okay, now I save it and go to my browser and refresh my web page. As you can see, the last simple text converted to another text with another appearance is the basic of CSS, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you really enjoyed, please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.